Beginner's Guide to Starting Yoga and Stretching Exercises at Home. Welcome to your journey into the world of yoga stretching exercises. Today, we're embarking on a path to flexibility, peace, and strength from home. Starting yoga at home is simple. First, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can move freely. A yoga mat isn't necessary but can be helpful. Begin with basic stretches to warm up. Focus on your breath, taking deep, slow breaths. This helps prepare your body and mind for the practice. One of the first stretches to try is the cat-cow pose. It gently warms up your spine and helps you get in tune with your breath. Next, move into the downward-facing dog. This pose stretches your hamstrings, shoulders, and hands, while also strengthening your arms and legs. Incorporate the warrior poses into your routine. These powerful stances improve focus, balance, and stability, while also stretching your legs and back. Remember, it's important to listen to your body. If a stretch feels too intense, ease up. Yoga is about finding harmony, not pushing limits. Make yoga stretching a regular part of your daily routine. Even just a few minutes every day can significantly improve your flexibility and reduce stress. Lastly, keep exploring different poses and sequences. Yoga is a vast practice with something for everyone. Enjoy the journey towards a healthier, more flexible you.